Hello friends, this is our lecture number 8 and topic of this lecture is detailed estimate for single room building by center line method. In our previous classes, we already learned about long wall and short wall method. We take in same example of our previous class, but this example we solved with the help of center line methods. So we have same problem, same plan and elevation, but we have to solve with the help of center line method. So first we have to draw a center line in our plan, and after that we make a single wall. In long wall short wall method we count as a double, means here we have a two long wall and two short wall, but in center line method we convert it in a single wall. So how we convert it in a single wall? So first we make a center line like this, and we have to find the total center line length. So for that we have one formula, that is the summation h plus summation v. Here h is the horizontal and v is the vertical, and in our plan dimension here 5 is the horizontal and 4 is the vertical. So we have to find first total length, total center length. So for that we have to count the summation h and summation v. So summation h is equal to, summation h is equal to 0.15. So we count from here 0.15, here this is the 5 and here also 0.15. So we get 0.15 plus 5 plus 0.15 is equal to 5.6. But here we have two long wall, that's why here we multiply with the 2, we get 10.6 as a line of horizontal wall, and here we get same for a vertical wall. So we count here 0.15 for 0.15. So here we get 4.3, but here we have two short wall or two vertical wall, that's why here we multiply with 2 and we get the 8.6. So total center line length is equal to 19.2. But this is our single room building. What happened if we have a two-room building? In our two-room building, if we have to find the center line, that is some concept behind that. What is the concept? If we take a two-room building, so same process we have to do. We have to first draw a center line in our all plan. After that we have to find the total length, center line length, summation h plus summation v. Same process we do. 0.15, here horizontal is 4, so 4 plus 0.3 plus 6, here horizontal is 6, and again 0.15. So we get 10.6, and here we have two horizontal wall, that's why here we multiply with the 2. And for vertical wall same, we take 0.15, this value is 6, and 0.15 we get 6.3, and here we have three verticals wall, 1 2 and 3, that's why here we multiply with 3, and final center line length we get the 40.1. But in this two room building, what happened here, this value is counted two times, that's why we have to deduct this value in our total center line length. So how we count these two values at two times? First we take horizontal wall, so we count from this point to this point, so we count this whole part. So this whole part is counted in horizontal wall, and again we counted for a vertical wall, so we count from this point to this point. So this point is repeated two times, that's why we have to deduct this part. So for that we have one example. Total length is equal to center line minus width into number of T-junction in our plant divided by 2, or width by 2 into number of T-junction in our plant. So here number of T-junction is 1 and 2. So here number of T-junction is 2, and width we have to take from our elevation part. For example, if we take a width from foundation, so foundation is 0.90, 0.90 divided by 2 into number of T junction is 2. So total length for foundation part is CL minus width by 2, means 0.90 divided by 2 into number of T junction. So number of T junction is 2. But if we have a plus section, means if you have a section like this, so here you have to count T section is 2. One section is that part, and one section is that part. So where you got this plus sign, here you have to count the two sections. So in center line method, if you have a one room plan or elevations, so you have not to count T junction, but if you have a two room plan, then you have to count the T junction and deduct from this total length. So here our plan is the single room plan, that's why here we not count this T junction, we directly go to the solution. We have to count this part here as a center line. So here we find the center line is 19.20. So same part we have to find with the help of center line method. So up to the superstructure we take a 19.2 as a total length and get the quantity. After that our part is same, only the excavation part, concrete in foundation, superstructure part, foundation and plinth part, and parapet wall you have to take as a single line. Otherwise you have to take the same part you take in long wall and short wall method. After taking the finding this quantity, you have to calculate cost with the same process, and the answer you get from the long wall short wall method, same answer you get from the center line method. But if you want to solve with the help of center line method, so you have to use this concept for solving the quantity and cost. Thank you.